everyone, just checking in how you guys are doing since this COVID thing is going on, and we are all dealing with stress these days. Lots of things, we have to wear masks every time and we have to be very cautious when we go out, and all the restaurants are still closed, so we are not able to hang out as much as we used to do and relax. Also in the news as well, so many negative news are coming these days, and so much of controversies, conspiracies and theories are going on. All these things are stressing us out, and they affect us a lot more than we think. So just checking out, and I hope that you guys are doing good. And today we will talk about Neville Goddard, and he talks about planting a seed in our mind, and we are supposed to expect a fruit or a result from that seed that we plant in our mind. Then people say that we are always thinking about good things and expecting good things, and we never plant any bad seed in our mind. Then why all the bad things are happening with us? Why is it that we are not able to get things that we want? So he says that every day we wake up and we watch the news, and we read newspapers, we turn on the radio, and we hear about all the horrible things that are happening in the world, and we are consciously hearing these news, watching these news as if they are the most important thing in the world. And then later on we create this idea of the world when we watch these news, that the world is a bad place and bad things are happening all the time. Bad people are controlling everything, and bad crimes are happening, and people are getting away. And this is what the world is for us. We are consciously watching these news, and these news are planting these seeds in our mind, these seeds of doubt, these seeds of hate, and these seeds that the world is not a good place and the world is not a safe place. And when one of these things happen to us, and we think that I never planted this seed, I should not get this, I never thought about it. Yes, you never thought about it, but you always watched about it, you always heard about it, you discussed about it, and you created this world in your mind, this world which is not fair, this world which is full of crimes, and this world where all the bad things are happening to good people. You think yourself as a good people, and which is why these bad things are happening with you. What happens is, when we watch these news gives us an idea of how the world is, and how things are getting worse and worse, and how the world is getting darker and darker, and we are not in control of anything. What we can do is we simply react to these news. We react when people are killing each other, we react when there is terrorism, we react to all the bad things that are happening, we react when somebody is murdered or somebody is killed, and we are passing judgments to other people that these people have done this, and they should be taken into custody, and they should pay for what they have done. We are always passing these judgments to these people, and without knowing that when we pass these judgments, when we create this hate for them, we are using this space in our heart that we can use for love. But we choose to clear up all the space in our heart and in our mind, and we create this hate in ourselves for people that we don't even know. Which is why when something bad happens to us, we think that this is not I expected, this is not what I thought about. Yes, you did not thought about that, but you still cleared up space in your heart for that hate, and that hate is going to come back in some form. It is going to come back. So whenever we are reacting to these things that are happening in the outside world, when we are reacting to them, it means that we are getting an idea of how the world works. And if we think that this is how the world works, then something is bound to happen with us. Something of that nature is bound to happen with us as well. So this is what Neville Goddard talk about, that we should be very consciously planting seed in our mind. We should be very conscious with what we see and what we hear, what we talk about, because we may be doing it for entertainment, we may be doing this for passing time, but the thing is, these things are affecting us a lot. They are creating a sense of hate in our heart for everything around the world, and then this is what we are going to attract in our life. We must understand that this hate is not helping us. When we watch these news and when we pass judgments, and when we think that people should pay price for what they have done, we want justice for the victims, we want justice for people who have been killed, we want something to go right in the world, because in our heart we think that we have been victimized, and in our heart we think that life is not fair, so something must go right in the world. So what I want to tell you is that we should be very conscious about what we think about and what we see in our day-to-day lives, because these things are planting seed in our mind, and these seeds are bound to become a fruit someday, become a plant someday. And when this happens, we forget that we planted this seed ourselves in our mind, and we blame outside circumstances that I have always been a good person, but this and this happens with me. Yes, you have been a good person, but you have created hate in your heart for someone you don't even know, and you have passed judgments, and you have been and you have reacted to things that you don't want in your life. If you don't want something in your life, don't react to it. Our reaction is not going to make any sense in the world. It is not going to help anybody at all, not ourselves. Few months back, I used to binge watch Netflix. I used to watch Netflix like for hours and hours, and all of my holidays, my Saturdays and Sundays are just occupied with all this Netflix stuff, and I was enjoying it. But later on I realized that these things that I watch, they are somehow affecting me. Whatever we watch has an effect on our mind, and we perceive the world that way, which I've already talked about. So when this lockdown thing started, and I had this extra time, I started learning French. I started attending few online courses, and I started watching these motivational videos, and also I experienced a shift in myself. And this shift has taken place in many people during these days, because everybody is at home these days, and everybody is just tired of watching Netflix all the time, because there are not many series coming or releasing these days. So I think collectively we are all experiencing a shift in our consciousness, and this is very important, because if you're getting this opportunity to shift our consciousness and to elevate our thinking, then we must use these opportunities, and we must do work on ourselves. I remember when I used to watch Netflix, and when I used to finish a series, I would get so excited, and I would get this feeling of reward that I have finished this. And later on, now that I think about it, I think that that was so foolish. What change has that brought into my life? Watching all those series. So nowadays I don't watch all these Netflix series, and I'm very conscious about what I watch. I don't watch the news, and I have on my Instagram page, I have unfollowed all the media personalities and all the actors and actresses that I used to follow, because I think that it is important to work on myself and focus on myself rather than focusing on what these people are doing. So like Neville Goddard said, that we must be very conscious about what we are planting in our mind, and this is not conscious planting. This happens when we choose to watch a certain program where people are debating about something bad that happened, and when people are creating more hate, and people are saying that this person should be executed, and that person should be taken behind the bars. Yes, this gives us a sense of satisfaction that something good is happening in the world, and bad people should be taken into custody. Yes, this gives us a satisfaction, but what it is also giving us is a sense of hate for these people. We don't know these people, we are nobody to pass judgment, and we are just doing this for the satisfaction because our life has not been fair, which is why we want that something in the life should go right, and something in the life should go fairly. So we must understand that why we are watching these news. We are watching these just for the satisfaction of our ego, that okay, even though in my life things have not been right, at least something is going right in the world. And this is happening because we have perceived the world in a wrong way. and we have perceived this world in a wrong way, because we have been watching this wrong news, we have been concentrating on the wrong things that have been happening in the world. But we can break this chain. We have to break this chain, and we have to start now, because every second of news, every second of negativity that we are watching is affecting us, and it is planting a seed every time we are watching these news. So be very conscious that what you watch. These days I'm not watching any Netflix. I'm only whenever I feel like having a good time, I only watch 1 or 2 episodes of Friends, because it gives me very positivity. I think that there is a lot to learn from this series Friends, because this tells us a lot about life, and it is very positive. I'm not saying you to completely stop watching Netflix, but be very selective of what you watch. So let's do that. I want you to take a hard look at your life and what you're concentrating on, what you're watching these days, and tell me in the comments that how you're finding this teaching of Neville Goddard, and what are your comments about it. Let me know, and maybe we can interact on the comments. Much love to you and happiness to you.